different kind of plant. This is a herb. This is a shrub. This is a tree. This is a climber.
Today I'm going to be talking about the classification of plants based on size. This plant is a herb because it has a green stem which can easily break, and it is smaller in size. This plant is a shrub because it has a wooden stem that cannot break easily and is a bit bigger than herbs. This plant is a climber because it needs support like strings to climb up. This plant is a tree because it's very big in size and has a stem that cannot break easily and is made out of wood, called the trunk.
Today I am going to tell about different types of plants like herbs, shrubs, trees and climbers, creepers. Herbs are, this is the example of herbs, coriander. Herbs are plants which are tiny and thin green stems. They are usually short and they have many branches. They do not live for more than few months. For example, coriander, mustard, tomato are the example of herbs. Shrubs are plants with thin, hard, woody stem. They can grow to the medium height. The stem branches near the base of the plant. Hibiscus, rose and lemon are the examples of shrubs. Trees are tall plants and thick, hard and woody stem. The stem is called trunk. The branches grow height above the ground. Trees live for many years. Neem, banana and mango are the few examples of trees. Plants grow along the ground. Such plants is called creepers. Watermelon, pumpkin, bitter gourd are the few examples of creepers. Some plants with weak stem climb up with the supports of other plants are called man-made structure. These plants are called climbers. Grapevine, guava, peas and money plant are the few examples of climbers.
Today I am going to do the science activity. This is the big tree. It's give fruits for the birds, and for birds and all that get some energy. This fruit will go to all the place and it will grow small tree and it will give some fruits for the birds. This tree name is Alamaram. This tree is flapper tree. This also for God, for puja it's used this flapper, and in all the home were there, and this root will spread to all the place and it will not grow the more plant. This plant name is Arli. This is the small banyan tree. This will help for people to eat. In this small tree, the one fruit will come. That fruit name is banana.
I am going to explain about shrubs. You can see that tulsi is a shrub. The shrub has thin stem. You can see that tulsi also has a thin stem. Then it has a woody stem also. The branches of the shrub plant will grow in the base itself. You can see here only this much gap. See the branches came. Then for example, rose, lemon are some examples of shrub.
Today I am going to say about different types of plant. First plant is herbs. Very small plants with thin, weak stems. They will stay only for few months. Okay, come. I will show you the herbs plants. See, this is camphor plant and this is basil plant. These two are examples of herbs. Okay, now we will see shrubs. Medium sized plant with thin and hard stems. Okay, now I will show you the examples of shrubs. See, this is rose plant. This is one example of shrubs. Okay, now trees. Very big plants are called trees with hard and woody stems. I will show you the examples of trees. See, this is one example of trees. This is papaya tree and this is guava tree. These two are trees.